is a beautiful afternoon here at the IDS, and together with me is John Davis, the sales manager of CTech implant, and he's going to share with me some insightful information about their implants. Can you tell me a little bit about CTech?
CTech's been in producing implants since the 1960s. We have an incredible experience in the production and distribution and development of implant systems. We're from Italy. We're based near Bologna, but we're certified and we're distributing in 35 different countries, including the People's Republic. Our main markets are China and Germany.
Implantology is one of the hottest topics here at the IDS and generally in the dentistry domain. And I wonder if you can share with us, what do you see as the major trends in the implantology domain?
The major trends, of course, would be digitalization and the maintenance of tissue and aesthetics. And all together, we have this in our EL implant. We've tried to bring all of these things together in an implant that has aesthetic success, but offers all the possibilities of digital, whether that be all the possibilities with prosthetic and CAD-CAM and guided surgery.
I present to you the new one-time concept of CTech implants. And with the new concept, usually you put the implant in the bone, and usually you put the healing abutment directly. With this concept, you put the implant into the bone, and then you have to decide two different heights of the one time, height 2 or height 3, and you have the perfect cold wells into the implants. And if you don't have enough torque, you put the cover screw, the same to the healing abutment, but when you have to take the impression, you remove only the cover screw and you leave the one time. You don't work to the fixture of the implant, but work up on the implant, and then you put the abutment system, and you can take for analogic impression or digital impression if you want.
John, what would be your golden advice for a dentist that is currently looking at the implant market, thinking what kind of implant I should buy, with what I should work?
I would look for a partner that has all the solutions under one roof. Many companies are contracting out either their production, their planning, their guiding, their CAD-CAM. If you can find a company that has everything under one roof, most likely they will be able to satisfy your needs and relatively quickly instead of having to go outside to get a solution for you.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Andrea. It's been wonderful meeting you today at the IDS.
Thank you, Aussie. I can't wait to see your magic in the video.
Yay! Woo! Thank you.